water main off over there. Both of these are leaking. This one was leaking here. When I came, this was loose. I should be able to just take back these out and put new ones in, I'm hoping. Game plan. This is all brass. Gotta be careful with this shit. Brass piping. Wow. Holy shit. Not easy being cheesy, mama. Put some new ones in there. No big deal. These with the T on them. Shut off. The next one, the other one's going to want to come off. I don't know. I guess we'll find out, won't we? Flipping loose as a goose mouth. Loose as a goose mouth. Thing's flipping, floating in the wind here. Flopping on the wind. Hopefully that comes off of there. Break nothing. She's a rocker. She's rocking and rolling. I don't know, these things seem to want to spin on me a lot of times. I can't go too tight with them because they want to. That should be good right there. Should be able to turn them on. I'm surprised they don't have water hammer arresters on there, but this old brass pipe. They had this delivered, they hooked it up, and they had leaks. So I put 2 new valves in there. Yep. They do make water hammer arresters that go right on the end of this thing. They're like little diaphragms.
Oh, I think I've seen those before. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm surprised that they didn't sell you those when they put them on their code now.
Really?
If it don't make water hammer, then you're okay.
Okay.
But if you hear it making like banging water hammer through the pipes, then you're gonna need those.
You let those out.
Yeah.
Those out. You're supposed to have those now.
So by code, you're supposed to.
Oh, I know that.
But the only time you need them is if you got a fast shut-in solenoid valve and you got a lot of water pressure. How's your water pressure here? High?
No, not really.
So it might be all right with them.
Yeah, we don't have.
If you find that when this thing's running and when it shuts off the solenoid and you hear the pipes like banging, then you're gonna need them.
You're gonna need them. Okay.
You know, I'm surprised they usually sell them with the machines.
Really?
Yeah, because it's code now.
Yeah, we went to St. Paul's, Route 6.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Yeah,
but
too, yeah.
do you want to just hold off on them for now?
Yeah, I'll hold off. Yeah.
If it starts making noise, they'll fix it. You just unscrew these.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
And you can buy them at Home Depot or Lowe's. They're designed for that. They got like little diaphragms in them.
What are they called again?
It's a washing machine water hammer arrestor.
Washing machine hot water hammer arrestor.
Washing machine air hammer arrestor. The water goes into them, and then they connect to the machine. And they got little they're like little cylinders, and they got air in them.
Okay.
So if any water hammer, it goes into those. Yeah, but if you got low pressure, you might not need them.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
All right.
Like you said.
And if you're gonna shut these off, it's just quarter turn like this. These are nice.
All right.
All right. So them other ones, I mean, it wasn't the guy's fault.
Yeah, I know. It was that washing machine.